In a groundbreaking discovery, scientists have unveiled a revolutionary semiconductor material that could change the future of electronics as we know it. Meet Re6Se8Cl2, a superatom made up of rhenium, selenium, and chlorine atoms. Unlike silicon, it creates acoustic exciton polarons. It manages to outpace electrons in silicon by a staggering margin, while maintaining consistent movement. Theoretical electronic devices utilizing this material could be 6 orders of magnitude faster than current ones. What's more, they can be controlled by light rather than electricity. While this discovery opens a door to revolutionary technology, the material's rarity due to the presence of rhenium and its high cost make it unlikely to hit the consumer market anytime soon. This revelation isn't just about one material, it's about redefining the entire landscape of semiconductor technology. It paves the way for uncovering more superatomic and 2D semiconductor materials with equally promising properties. The STEP facility in Texas employs supercritical carbon dioxide for power generation, showcasing a 10-megawatt turbine, smaller and more efficient than traditional steam turbines. Above specific temperature and pressure thresholds, carbon dioxide behaves as a gas with liquid-like density, making it ideal for closed-loop energy systems. Smaller, more compact turbines reduce costs, require less land, emit fewer carbon emissions, and start up much faster, making them highly responsive in renewable energy grids. Successful implementation could replace steam turbines in various power plants, including fossil fuel, nuclear, geothermal, and concentrated solar installations. The consortium plans to initiate operations at the pilot plant in 2024, envisioning a transformative impact on power generation methodologies. The FN Herstal Smart Protector 303T, designed to fire less than lethal elastomer projectiles, and equipped with a digital smart sight. The smart sight uses an onboard camera and imaging software to identify and refuse to fire at human heads, reducing the risk of fatal injuries during civil disturbances. The gun fires 12.55mm FNSP caliber cartridges with elastomer rounds, operating within a range of 5 to 25 meters, using compressed air, intended for law enforcement use in crowd control, riots, patrol, and public safety at large events. The gun's projectiles are designed to break on impact, preventing penetration, while providing a deterrent effect. It triggers a visual and audible warning, and locks the trigger mechanism if aimed at a human head, ensuring non-lethal use. Airbus aims to replace its current ocean transport fleet with eco-friendly ships by 2026, targeting a reduction in carbon emissions. Presently, Airbus operates 3 vessels shuttling aircraft components, contributing significantly to carbon emissions due to increased A320 production. The company collaborates with Louis Dreyfus Armateurs to develop 3 low-emission ships featuring Flettner rotors and dual-fuel engines for efficiency. These ships will optimize routes based on wind and currents, allowing for increased capacity and reduced emissions, aiming to lower carbon output by 2030. The U.S. Department of Defense plans to develop a high-yield nuclear gravity bomb, the B-6113, pending congressional approval and funding from the Department of Energy's National Nuclear Security Administration. The current U.S. nuclear stockpile contains aging warheads, prompting the need for modernization due to limited shelf life and evolving military threats. The B-6113 aims to replace older bombs without increasing the overall inventory size, boasting a similar yield to the B-61-7, around 360 kilotons, and incorporating safety and security enhancements from the B-61-12. This bomb is designed for fighter bombers like the F-35 Lightning II, and provides flexibility in mission planning and targeting larger adversaries, enhancing the country's deterrence capabilities. Fraunhofer Institute introduces high-speed logistics robots eVTOL and Superscript 3 DIN, designed for industrial applications, challenging humanoid robots' roles in logistics and warehousing. eVTOL, a self-balancing 2-wheeled robot, surpasses humanoid capabilities with speeds up to 60 km per hour, 37 miles per hour, and lifting capacities of 65 kilograms, 143 pounds, showcasing higher speed and lifting power compared to humanoids. Its rotating grippers allow for precise lifting and placement of objects, offering access to higher shelves despite limited dexterity. Superscript 3 DIN, an autonomous pallet jack, utilizes omnidirectional mechanism wheels and air suspension, maneuvering at speeds up to 36 km per hour, 22 miles per hour, and handling loads up to 1,300 kilograms, 2,866 pounds once in production. While Superscript 3 DIN faces challenges with sudden obstacles, it features an emergency brake system for immediate halting, and shows potential for future industrial use in factories and warehouses. Atom Computing introduces a groundbreaking quantum computer, surpassing the 1,000 qubit mark, scheduled for release in 2024, surpassing IBM's upcoming quantum computing platform. Quantum computers operate using qubits, enabling data to exist in multiple states concurrently, empowering them to solve intricate problems faster and tackle tasks unfeasible for traditional computers. Atom's system utilizes ytterbium atoms controlled by lasers, featuring 1,180 qubits, leveraging the simplicity of manipulation and measurement due to its 2 quantum levels in the lowest energy state. Significant performance enhancements include mid-circuit measurement capabilities, without disrupting neighboring qubits, and coherence times of 40 seconds, outstripping IBM's Osprey, with a coherence time of around 80 microseconds. Atom Computing plans to grant access to its quantum computer systems for enterprise, academic, and government users, beginning in 2024. AeroHT showcases a groundbreaking low-altitude multi-parachute system in action, saving an eVTOL aircraft from a catastrophic propulsion failure, at just 50 meters. 164 feet above the ground. AeroHT assures that the aircraft remained undamaged despite the impact, suggesting survivability for passengers while acknowledging the uncomfortable nature of the landing. The video demonstration appears edited despite it. The demonstration seems plausible, providing a promising safety measure for eVTOL aircraft in emergencies. AeroHT, a Chinese eVTOL manufacturer, introduces 2 new groundbreaking concepts: a 6-wheel drive hybrid electric aircraft carrier van, and an updated version of its flying supercar, with a concealed airframe. The land aircraft carrier, although a ground-based system, deploys a 2-seat eVTOL multicopter from its rear, designed for emergency services use and private ownership. AeroHT's flying supercar now features a 4-arm system with 8 coaxially mounted propellers for improved control and redundancy, storing its flight gear internally to prevent damage, and allowing drivers to transition to pilots using a retractable steering wheel. The company unveils physical and rendered concepts of these vehicles, showcasing their innovative designs and functionalities. Although the practicality and functionality of these prototypes remain uncertain, ROBOTIcs introduces the ROVISTA system, allowing rowers to face the direction they're headed while rowing. The system is adaptable to various watercraft like rowing sculling boats, stand-up paddleboards, kayaks, and canoes. It consists of a seat sliding on an aluminum rail, a carbon fiber outrigger beam with oar linkages, and integrated 2-piece carbon fiber oars. Rowing with ROVISTA involves pulling back on the oar handles to move the oars through the water, and pushing forward to swing them for the next stroke. Users can adjust the blade feathering by twisting the handles, reducing wrist fatigue compared to traditional oars. The system can be assembled tool-free in just 2 minutes on existing watercraft, and starts at €3,876, about US $4,096. Matter and Form unveils the 3 scanner, claiming it can create full-color 3D models of objects ranging from coins to cars. The scanner boasts professional-grade quality, utilizing stereo 13-megapixel Sony cameras and structured light pattern projections, capable of achieving accuracy levels down to 50 microns and resolutions down to 37 microns. It operates within a distance range of 20 to 80 centimeters, 8 to 31 in. The system works without software installations or subscription fees, handling processing through its own onboard computer, controllable wirelessly via any web browser. It supports open-source projects, and provides a full API, offering programming tools for advanced users, making it both a 3D scanner and a self-contained edge computing device. The Kickstarter campaign for the 3 scanner offers a 50% early bird discount, priced at US $1,500, including a turntable, calibration kit, and tripod.